This video will show you how to fix the window terminated unexpectedly error in Visual Studio Code. If you see this message, it means one of the VS Code windows crashed and cannot open properly. This can happen because of outdated graphics drivers, problematic extensions, corrupted cache files, or even a specific project file causing the crash. In this video, I will show every method to solve this problem step by step. We will reset VS Code settings, disable or remove bad extensions, clear cache and backup files, and make sure your system drivers are updated. I will also show how to fix issues with specific project files that can crash versus code. By the end of this video, Visual Studio Code will open normally without crashing or showing the window terminated unexpectedly error. Stay with me, because these fixes are simple and will work for anyone facing this problem.